Polly the Parrot Tells the Truth. Polly the Parrot loved repeating things, but sometimes she said things that weren't true. "You took my banana," she squawked, even when it wasn't true. The animals got upset. One day, she told the truth and helped solve a missing snack mystery. "Telling the truth feels better," she chirped. From then on, Polly used her words wisely and became the forest's favorite storyteller.